Hi guys, today we are going to do a very interesting problem on coordinate geometry. So let's start with looking at the question itself first. The coordinates of A and C are 6, 4 and 2, 4 respectively. The coordinates of B lies on x is equal to 14 as shown in the diagram below. Given that the area of triangle ABC is 10 units square, find the length of AF. So what we have here is we are given the coordinates of A and C, right? And we have another coordinate, another point B, but we don't know its coordinates. But we know that it passes through x is equal to 14, right? And we also have the area of full triangle, which is 10 units square. So we have to find the length of AF. Okay, so I think the first thing we should do is find the coordinate of this B, right? This point B, right? So what information we have related to this? So one information we have is that the coordinate of B lies on x is equal to 14, right? So x is equal to 14 will be a vertical line, right? It will be a vertical line at x is equal to 14, right? So let's try to draw a vertical line. Okay, so this doesn't look like, okay, yeah, let's say this is my vertical line passing through B. Okay, so this is x is equal to 14. Okay, let's write it a bit neatly. So x is equal to 14. So what do you think, what will be the x coordinate of B? What will be the x coordinate of B? It will be surely 14, right? Because the line x is equal to 14 is passing from B, right? And we are not sure, we don't know yet what's the y coordinate for B, but at least we know that the x coordinate for B will be 14, right? Now if you look at these 2 points, right, carefully, if you look at the coordinates, right, you can see here that the y coordinate of A and C are same, right? It's 4 for both. That means this line AC is parallel to x-axis. Basically its y coordinate is not changing, right? So from here we can say, what do you think, what will be the length of AC? The length of AC will be 6 minus 2, 4 units, right? It will be simply 6 minus 2, 4 units. So we can write this information here. Okay, so using the coordinates, right, we can say that AC will be 4, right? Now we know the area of this triangle, right? Area of this triangle. So if we take our AC as a base, right, what will be the height of this triangle? What will be the height of A B C? See, so the height of the triangle will be perpendicular, as we know that it is always a perpendicular distance from the third vertex on the base. So here we need to extend the base. Let's say that this meets at D, right? So this is perpendicular, right? So this is going to be the height of ABC. BD is going to be the height of ABC if we take AC as the base. Okay, so this is my height. Okay, now how do we calculate its height? So we have to use the area of the triangle. Let's see how. So we know that area of triangle ABC is equal to half times base times height, right? So for this case, right, for this case, okay, I think the spelling of height is wrong. Yeah, right, and this is equal to 10, right? Now what is my base here? By base here we are taking as AC, right? And the height is the height, this one, right, which is BD, right, is equal to 10. And we know that AC is how much? AC is 4, right? And BD we need to find, and that everything is the area is equal to the 10, right? So from here we can get that BD is equal to 10 by 2, that will give us 5. Okay, so BD, we got the length BD, so this length is 5. Okay, and you know that this is a vertical line, right? So its x coordinate is not going to change, right? So whatever is the y coordinate, but it's the x coordinate of D has to be 14, right? Has to be 14, right? So the any point with that lies on this vertical line, its x coordinate has to be 14. So what's the height of this triangle? The height of this triangle is basically the change in the y coordinate from B to D, right? So if let's say this is 5, right? And what do you think, what is the y coordinate of D? It will be same as this one. It will be same as A and C, because we got this point by extending the base of the triangle, right? So its y coordinate has to be 4, right? The y coordinate has to be 4, and since the height of this triangle is 5, right? So what do you think, what will be the y coordinate of B? What will be the y coordinate of B? It will be -1. It will be -1. Then only the height can be 5, right? Because this coordinate, the here y is here y is 4, right? So if we want the height to be 5, right, it has to be -1. 4 minus -1 will give you 5. High, then only it will be 5. So from here we got the coordinates of B, which will be 14 comma -1. Okay, that's how we got the coordinate of B. Okay, now we have the coordinates of B, so we can easily find the and we also have the coordinates of C, so we can find the length of BC. Why do we need to find the length of BC? Because we are going to take BC as a base. Now BC as the base of this triangle, okay, so that we can keep AF as the height of the triangle. So let's do that. So the length of BC will be equal to square root of it is equal to, okay, square root of, so what's the length of a line with whose two coordinates are given, the coordinates of its 2 points are given. It is x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Now we are finding the length of BC, right, where B is 14 and C is 14 comma -1 and C is 2 comma 4, right? Now it will be, so let's find the length. So it will be, okay, so let's take C as our x2, so which will be 2 minus 14 whole square plus 4 minus -1 whole square, right? So that will give us 2 minus 14 will give you -12 whole square plus this one give you 5 whole square. This will be equal to -12 whole square will give you 144, and then 5 square is 25, right? So this will give me root over 169, and that is equal to 13, right? So the length of BC is 13. Okay, so this we have got as 13, right? Now again, using, see, the area of ABC is not going to change, right? It has to be same, right? So using that thing, okay, so using this, we can say that the area of triangle ABC is equal to, again same, half times base times height, okay, and that will be equal to 10, right? Now this time we are taking base as what? Base as BC. Okay, this time we are going to take base as BC and our height as AF, which is equal to 10. Now we can take BC. Now we know that BC is 13, right? And AF we need to find out. Okay, so that will give us, right? So from here we will get that, okay, we can write it as 6.5 Okay, and hence from here we can say that AF will be equal to 10 divided by 6.5. That will give us 1.5384 if we take it up to 5 SF. Okay, 5 SF. And if we usually we need the answer up to 3 SF, so if we convert it to 3 SF, we'll get 1.54. so that is for 3 SF. Okay, so the SF means significant figures. So when I say 3 SF means up to 3 significant figures. So the solution for this question is that the length of AF is equal to 1.54, right? Okay, it's 1.54. Okay, because no unit is given, so yeah, we can just say the length is 1.54 up to 3 SF. Okay, so that's the solution. Hope you liked it. Keep watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.